Squirrel fish is a classic Sioux-style cuisine. It's named after the pinecone look of its appearance. The frozen marinated tilapia presented by Jack and Kings. It's been flavored, marinated, and scored crosswire. Thaw and wash the fish clean. Flap some dry flour on the whole fish. Pour 500 milliliters oil in the pot. Heat the oil to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. Hold the fish steady to deep fry in the pot until shaping up. Make the oil temperature at 356 degrees Fahrenheit and deep fry it again until the whole fish is golden brown to plate it. Mix water, ketchup, sugar, salt and starch to make a thick sauce and drizzle it on the fried fish. There you have your squirrel fish. The yummy sauce covered the fish. The entire outline is pretty, the fish is tender inside and crispy outside. A super convenient Grand Master cuisine can be easily done at home. Jack and Kings, a taste of China anytime anywhere.